So my last question to you, who do you model as a better leadership model? A lion's leadership or an elephant's leadership?
Ma'am, I think that I would go with an elephant's leadership.
Why?
Because I think that because they are also matriarchal, so I also think that they stand apart and in that sense, but also that they care for their young for a significant period of time, and they bear that burden, and I think that's very admirable and respectable.
Okay.